So this is the UI design of my user's application, and now I will redesign this application as well as I will share the designing tip with you. So hello दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है देवेंद्र and from today I am going to start the series called Redesign my followers application. If you are not following me, then please subscribe to channel as well as like this video and follow our Telegram channel as well as join our WhatsApp group and share your application link in DM. Then I'll also redesign your application, and if you own the professional Figma file, then you can visit our website astro.shop. Here you will get the variety of Figma files like the PayPal UI design, earning application UI design, restaurant app UI design and much more. And if you are a designer and if you also want to publish your UI design on our website, then you also can do this. Just visit astro.shop and click on the publish now button. Start publishing your UI design as well as start your earning. So without any ado, let's start today's video. So I chat with him and he told me this is the education application made to those who want to learn the Malayalam. I have been created the Figma project over here, the name called education. So basically consider this application as an education application, and accordingly I will redesign this application. So first thing first, what you have to do, you have to take this frame, and by selecting the frame you have to draw this frame according to your mobile frame. So or else what you can do, you can click on this frame and you can select from here, that is Android large. Okay, so I am going with the Android large over here, and after selecting it, what I will do, I will rename this as the splash screen. I will follow the features that he were used in this application. So he told me this is the home screen and these are the main topics, and inside that main topic these are the subtopics, and inside this subtopics this is the aksharam and all. So what I will do now, I will firstly draw the prototype for this application. Okay, so after calling this prototype, what I have to do, this is the splash screen. We will just add the logo over here. After drawing the logo over here, so what I have been did, I have been added some radius, that is 44 pixel in the radius. And after splash screen, we will add the intro screen over here. After user open the splash screen, then we will show the intro screen. And after the intro screen, what we gonna do, we gonna skip the login system. And the home screen, what we will do, we will add some banners, typing the features name. So this will be our home screen for today's video. And then we will create the subtopic screen. After subtopic screen, this will be the alphabet screen. So please understand, the main core goal of this video is to create the design for something. I know I'm not redesigning full application. I'm just showing you how you can redesign your education application. I just want to share some tips and tricks about the UI design, so you can make your UI designs accordingly. So inside the subtopic screen, what we will do, we will create the subtopics grid. Okay, and here we will create the alphabet cards. Okay, so something like that our screen would be. Okay, so here is my UI design of the PayPal that I have been created in the previous video. If you not watch that video, then please watch this video. There I have been shared many more learning about the UI design with you. So what I'll do now, I'll just open our education project again, and after that I'll just paste that status bar. Where you will get status bar, you just visit our astro.shop, download free product. There you will get this status bar, as well as you can get this status bar on the Figma community. So now what I'll do, before going ahead, what you have to do, you just need to know which typography you gonna use for this project as well as which color you gonna use for this project. So what I will do, I'll just rename this page 2 as the asset. Okay, I'm renaming it as an asset, and here I will use the pop-in typography. Then I done with the typography selection. Now I will select the color. So basically, as you can see here, he have been selected the dark color. So as my opinion is, before you proceed your UI design, you must select the better theme that will suit category. Okay, so today I'm going to design the application for the education category. So before selecting the color, you should understand the psychology of the user, those who will use this application. For this project, I gonna go with the white color. So my primary color would be the white color. So now you will ask me, Devendra, what is primary color and what is the secondary color and what is tertiary color? So the color that will use the maximum time in your application, that will be the primary color, and the precedingly use the secondary as well as tertiary color. So my primary color will be the white color and my secondary color will be the purple color. The purple color is good for the education application. If you are using the red color, then you should understand the psychology of the red color as well as the color that you going to use. As a purple color is the royal color, so that's why I'm going with the purple color. Then this will not hurt the eyes of the user. Okay, as a tertiary color, I'm going to use purplish black. not the pure black. I hope you get the psychology of the color. So I done with the logo designing, and this is how I created the logo. So this is how I created the logo. As our color palette is the purple, I have been used the various contrast of the purple color and as well as created this beautiful logo. So I am disabling this drop shadow, and this is how our logo looks like. And here I have been used the name of his application like this. Here we will design the intro screen. To design the intro screen, what I will do here, I need one text that will be something like start learning Malayalam. Okay, and here as our font is a Poppin, so that's why I will select here the Poppin fonts, and here I will go with the semi bold because this is our main title. Okay, then what I will do, I will come here and will add the auto layout over here, and this will be something like here we will add the 20 pixel margin from both the side. And here we will keep something like this. And what we will do, we got the screen size, then what we will do, we will disable this auto layouts because we got our margin for this text. So now what I will do, I'll just reduce the line text. So that's why I come here and will use this tool to reduce the height between the sentence. Okay, so now I will drag down this over here, and what I will do, I'll just export this logo because export this logo. Okay, and after exporting it, what I will do, I'll just drag it over here and will place this logo over here. So I will pick this color. So this is how our intro screen will be look like, but what I will do, I'll just go like this. Okay, and then I will add some rectangle over here, and we'll add rectangle over here. Okay, and add some corner radius, and after adding corner radius, I will use a purple color. I will use the context like start learning. Okay, start learning medium. I will keep it as a medium, and will use the 18, and after using the 18, I will make it center. So what I will do, I will make the group of this and will bring it center. And now what I will do, I will use some illustration over here. So that's why I will visit the icon at illustration. So what we want the illustration that will match our primary color. So I will copy this and will check that will it fit or not. Okay, so if I keep this something like this, so what we can do, we can arrange the alignment over here. So now check how this intro screen is look like. Is it good or not? And we will make it center. So now I have done the design of the home screen as well as the subtopic screen. Okay, so I have been designed the home screen such like this way. So let me teach you how I design this, and let me give you some tips and tricks about how I design the home screen. So basically I stopped the recording because when I start the recording, then it's taking too much time to imagine what I am supposed to design. Okay, so that's why what I did, I just stopped the recording and I completed the design first. Now I will teach you what I did here and why I use this element at this specific place. So what you have to do, so this is the home screen. Okay, so on the home screen I took the status bar and I keep the status bar color darks. Okay, and below that I took the gradient background because it's looking very nice and giving very good effect. So if you don't want this gradient background, then you can remove it as well. Our app is looking like the gravitate, so that's why what I did, I just added some element so that our application will look very good. As we discussed, we on the banner topic, search, side menu and share. So what I did, I just removed this side menu and I collaborated, and I have been side menu and share. Okay, so now what I have to do, so first element I have to show, that is banner. So that's why I have been designed the banner like this way. So you might have question, Devendra, how you get the ideas about designing something. So what you have to do, you just have to take some reference from the browser. Okay, so what you supposed to search on Google, just ask like banner UI designs, you will get many reference. So now what I did here, I just use hi ready to learn this text, and with that I have been used the search icon. As we discuss here, we also on the search. So here instead of grid view, I have been arranged the topics in a horizontal list because this will be very easy to scroll to the user instead of the grid list view. And what I did, just below that the topic screen, I have been placed the share app with friend feature. So that's why people can share our application and we get the more installs on our application. So that's why I've been designed this screen like this way. What left, the side menu. So instead of side menu, what I did, I just bring out all the features from the side menu to the bottom of the screen. What I were on to place inside the side menu, like the privacy policy, terms and condition, and contact us. So instead of placing this feature inside the side menu, I have been placed them at the bottom of the screen. So this is how my home screen is looking like. So now then I have been designed the subtopic screen. This keep this screen very simple. So here I have been take one screen, and on the top of that I have been placed the status bar. I have been used which topic user have been selected. So let us suppose if user selected topic 2, then topic 2 will get visible over here, and below that I have been created a grid list too. Then there was a fourth screen like the Aksharam. So I skip that screen because this video is getting very long. So I hope you get some learning from this video, and if you get some learning from this video, as well as subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Till then, be happy, keep designing.